Welcome to CAS 231 Desktop Publishing, Columbia Gorge Community College, the Dalles, Oregon, Mrs. Hewitt instructor. This is week 6 and it is midterm. So this week will be a little bit different than what we've been doing each week. You're going to be applying some of the things that you have learned up to this point. So you've got your objectives. This video will be right here. It just doesn't have its slot yet. And instead of being that kind of PDF set of directions, they're just kind of written out for you. You're going to be designing a letterhead in an envelope for a business, which could be the same business you did last week. Or you could do a school if you'd rather, your family or a nonprofit group. You can use any of the designs you've already made for this class as you create this letterhead and envelope. Or you can design a whole new one if you want to, using the information you've learned so far in the course. You are not to copy and paste a logo from someplace else. For example, Google. You're not going out and finding one and creating a letterhead with something that has already been made by someone else. This is to be 100% your own original work. This could be a fictitious company. It doesn't have to be a real one. Last week you might not have used a real one, so this one can continue that. And unless you want to create one for a business you either own or you work at, that's fine. You'll not be able to edit this one after you've uploaded it. It's a one upload only, which is different than what the other assignments have been this term because it is a midterm. So once you've uploaded it, it's a one and done type of thing. So make sure you get the one you want. Sometimes people save multiple copies. They do a 1, 2, 3 on the name or whatever. They may have some that are complete, not complete, didn't turn out quite right, whatever it might be. So make sure you've identified exactly which one it is, like open it, look at it, maybe even make a copy of it, like out on your desktop away from all your other stuff. So there's absolutely no way you could accidentally upload the wrong thing and then do your upload. There is a 1, 2, 3 journal like every other week, but there is not a forum this week. You get off the hook on that one. For the text part of your document, you will tell me about the business you created this letter or envelope for. What does it make? What does it do? Some of those types of things. If you used your last week's one, some of that you will maybe just be able to copy and paste across because you probably told it for last week. But since you can create a whole new one, obviously, you may need to start from scratch on that explanation. Also explain about the design decisions you made and why you made them as you created this letterhead and this envelope to be used by this group. And that pretty well gets you through the week. There isn't a whole lot extra. You've got your upload here, you've got your journal. There's the video directions. They just didn't get moved up. I'll get those slid up so they'll be where they're supposed to be when you come in to do this. So off you go to work.